ang pinoproject doon is napaka-corrupt ng ICC, di ba? Dahil nilagyan ng $2 million, allegedly. Kung ako yung mukhang merong political color, not just political color, mukhang merong destabilization na aspect. Ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So puro cost na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara?
So, sobra yung computation?
Sobra computation. Sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Philippine Navy and Army personnel.